Well, happy homecoming week, everybody. I hope you are able to, in some way, take part in the festivities from wherever you are. I'll actually be down in Davenport later this week on Thursday and Friday for some meetings, MPH program, and then College of Health and Human Services. So I'll be down, actually back up in Wisconsin on the weekend, so I won't actually be able to go to the game or do any of the other stuff, but in spirit, I'll be there. So in honor of homecoming week, I'll keep this one short. Last week and the past couple weeks, we've been getting a little bit more into the weeds of the kind of the specifics of public health and in particular scientific literature. Looking through it, disseminating it, being critical about the work that comes out, and looking for ways to improve it going forward. Going forward into this week, we're kind of shifting gears a little bit. We're going from maybe the more kind of technical writing aspects of things into an area that really drives a lot of people's passion for this work, and we're talking about disparities. We're looking at disparities, in both terms of health inequalities and health inequities. Now, of course, the difference between the two, and inequality is something you can measure. It's just simply a difference in numbers comparing some variable between two groups or two or three groups. And inequity has a sense of fairness to it, or actually a sense of unfairness, not fair. A difference between two groups that is not grounded in any real logic or scientific reasoning. It's unfair. And it's those sort of inequities that really drive a lot of people to this work and continues to drive the work that we do going forward. So you're reading this week, you'll be reading chapter 3 of the textbook, and I believe it's the shortest chapter of the book, which, it kind of makes sense because there's not necessarily as much, specific science behind, looking at disparities and inequities, but it takes the lion's share of our actual work, mostly because we just don't know the answers. And it takes just a lot of drive and determination to be out in the community and to work with community members up through policy on the national and global levels to help to address these. So your homework or your assignments for this week, we're back on the discussion board section, and they will be looking at disparities. And so, I really invite you to take your time, really think about these things. I mean, really look at disparities and the root causes of them and what can be done going forward to reasonably address them. So enjoy your homecoming week, and I will see you electronically and virtually going forward. So have a great week. Stay healthy. Enjoy yourself. Keep up on the work and your reading. And most of all, be well.